Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you two summer bags that I got in collaboration with a brand. I'm going to list their name here in this video and also link it down below in the description box so you can go and check them out. They are specialized in selling amazing bags, like have the biggest selection ever. It was super hard for me to choose my favorite two, like literally I could not decide. I even asked my mom to help me out and finally I was able to pick two that I believe I made the right choice because I've been wearing them non-stop. I've been featuring them a lot on my Instagram in outfit photos and other posts. So here are they. This is the first one. Is this little cute straw material bag and it has the cutest sunflower. Sunflower is a flower that is directed by sun. This flower needs a lot of sunlight, vital energy, so I really am in love with sunflowers. They're so gorgeous, so that's why I decided to go with this bag. It's a very cute bag. You can wear this bag like a crossbody bag because it does come with a long shoulder strap that you can actually adjust on the length that you want. You can just like tie it inside and adjust it on the length that you want and prefer. But I like to wear it as a little camera bag, or I put my iPhone inside or some beauty bits. Whenever I go to the beach I always carry this inside of a bigger bag. A lot will fit inside. It's a small bag, but trust me, necessities will definitely fit inside. I now have some hair ties, bits and bobs, you know. This is the first bag that I got, and then I got this pretty bag. This is a knitted bag and I got it in this lilac color. It also comes in green. I originally wanted it in green, but I think it was sold out because they sent me this lilac color, which now I ended up loving. I have OPI nail polish that is basically identical to this color, and I've been wearing it all through springtime and summertime as well. I just love that color. And it's in combination with red color, so it has red smiley face, it has this flower and cute little heart. It's like crochet, as you can see. It has these little holes all over the bag, but it's very nice for grocery shopping or even for going to the beach, carrying some books and a towel. And you can also, you know, put this little bag inside. And it's perfect. I mean, this is very spacious actually, and it fits all my necessities. So I'm very happy with this collaboration. The shipping was super fast and the prices are very convenient, and they have amazing styles. Like seriously, you name it, they have it. So definitely go and check them out because currently they are also having great summer sale, so it's definitely worth to take advantage of those sales. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick little video. Please press thumbs up if you would like to see more fashion hauls from me on this channel, and also if you would like me to do some styling ideas with these bags, leave a comment down below. Please hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't yet, because that way you will stay connected with me and you will be updated on my newest uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Sending you a big kiss from Croatia, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao.